everybody, welcome back to Polymer Play by Deb. Yes, Felix and I are finally back and we have the dog here. Freedom is back too. Anyway, it has been a very 2 long years since we have seen you guys. So we have had a lot of people express concern for us and we really appreciate that. Everybody's been wondering where we've been, and I'm just going to take a moment to let you know what has happened to us and our family. So it all started about 2 years ago. Around Christmas time, our poor little Miss Lucy cat got very ill, and they had a tough time diagnosing what was wrong with her. And as it turned out, she had some very unusual, rare disease, and she ended up passing away on Christmas morning of all days. And of course, we were devastated by that. And then shortly after that, probably about 3 weeks later, my 19-year-old nephew died of an overdose, a drug overdose. And he was not a drug addict, he was just experimenting with drugs, and all it takes is one bad drug. And so, of course, that just devastated our whole entire family. It's just so sad. And so all the family got through that, and then the following Christmas, my mom developed some rare disease, and she ended up, within the time that it was diagnosed and a short, maybe 6 weeks to 2 months, she ended up passing away shortly after Christmas that year. So we got through that, and I guess that was 2017. She died January 2nd, 2017. And we picked ourselves up and went ahead and moved forward with our lives. And then Father's Day of 2017, my 29-year-old stepson committed suicide. And it's just been devastating for the family. So we've just had our list of tragic events that you think are never going to happen to your family. You hear about them with other people, and then one day you wake up and your life has changed forever. So here we are, it's 2018, and we are moving forward and trying to get our lives back on track. So we are going to be making some videos this year, and we're going to get back to our freebie Fridays once a month and see where it goes from there. Oh, and I forgot to mention that while all of this stuff was going on, we moved our house, our entire business, 7 cats, and 1 dog from the state of Virginia to the state of Ohio to be closer to family. And that has been a blessing. So, like I said before, Felix and I are back. Felix, by the way, is 10 years old this year, so he's getting old and just as fat as ever. So we're looking forward to hearing from you guys and doing more videos, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye now.